Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 that will absolutely surprise you. Some of these you may have heard of, but others will shock you. Make sure to stick around until number 1, because it's the most unbelievable of them all.
Top 5 air horn pranks. Laurie Horn. Pranking dad. Free swimming. Pranking wife. Laurie incoming.
And that wraps up our top 5. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing countdowns just like this. See you in the next video.